my Shay Bays, it's Shayance and I'm back with another video. And today I will be showing y'all how to get this right here. Get all of it. I'll be showing you how to get this quick and simple ponytail, no glue, no sewing. Okay, so let's hop right into this video. For the ponytail that we're doing today, I will be using clip-ins. So for clip-ins, if you've never used them before, you can just use them when you want to add some extra length or volume to your hair. I use them when I'm wearing my natural hair out, but I might just be over my natural hair and I might just want to do something a little different or a little extra. The clip-ins that I have are clip-ins that I made a few years ago from some bundles that I got in like 2015. So you can order some clip-ins, make some clip-ins. It's totally up to you. As long as you have some, then you're good to go. So to start off, I'm just made a section with the back of my hair and I pulled the rest of my hair out of my face. The part does not have to be clean because nobody will see it. And you're going to take your first track and flip it upside down, which is what you see me doing right here. So you flip the track upside down and then clip it regularly into your hair. The point of flipping the track upside down is so that when you're smoothing it up into the ponytail, it gives a seamless effect and it's not lumpy, bumpy, or sticking out, which is not cute, and we always want to keep it cute. So you just clip that track in and smooth it out with a comb or brush. So the best way to measure the clip-ins to your head is just literally to wrap the track around your head, so that way you know if it fits that part the best, because you don't want it to be too long, it will stick out and it will show, and you don't want it to be too short, because if you use a track that's too short somewhere else, you could have used it somewhere closer to the top of your head where you just need like another piece of hair just to fill in a space. So make sure you're using the right lengths for the right parts. So continuing up my head, I am going to clip the clip-ins in regularly. The only track that you will be flipping is the one that goes on the bottom, because like I said, it needs to be a smooth finish, and when you're at the top, that does not matter at all because it's just coming down into the ponytail. So I just continue to part off with my fingers. Like I said, the parts don't have to be clean, don't have to be perfect, and I just clip in the tracks. However many tracks you would like to use is a personal preference. If you like your ponytails thinner or fuller, or if you want to give like a versatile sewing effect, it's all up to you and what you want to do. So I didn't want my ponytail to be anything crazy. Like I said, I'm going for like a natural looking ponytail, and yeah, so that's what I do, continuing up until I get to the top of my head.
Honestly,
Beast Prince.
honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking when I say I don't think I can wait. I just need it out, let it swing my way. I just need some, I just need some, I just need some love. Gotta fucking with these giant niggas, baby. I just need some, I just need some, I just need some love. Gotta fucking with these giant niggas, baby. I just need a love. I just need some, I just need some love. Gotta fucking with these giant niggas, baby. I just need a love. I just need some, I just need some, I just need some love. Gotta fucking with these giant niggas, baby. I just need some, I need some love, I need some love, I need some love.
Now that we're done installing the clip-ins, it's time to create your part. And fair warning, y'all, I am horrible at parting, okay? So don't judge, because it's going to be a little messed up and crooked, but that's fine, because that's fine. I'm going to do what I can do. So, yeah. Right here, I'm just making my part. And I did a middle part because I don't know why I didn't want a side part. And my hair kind of falls in the natural middle part anyway. So I'm just doing my middle part, and when you're doing it, you just want to make sure you're combing your hair to cover any of the tracks that are at the top, because like I said, you don't want them to show. That's not cute, and we're trying to be cute. So make your part and cover those tracks.
I need some love, I need some love, I need some love, I need some love. something. Tells me love, tells me love, tells me love, tells me love. What it's a girl to do when she needs love and tells me love too. Honestly,
Beast Prince. Now that you're done installing your clip-ins and parting your hair where you want it to be parted, all you're going to do is pull it in a ponytail, okay? So for some reason, I couldn't find none of my bristle brushes, and I had to just try to make it do what it do with my comb, which was a struggle, okay? But if you have a brush, I recommend you to use any type of bristle brush. Use any type of bristle brush or, you know, weave brush, whatever. As long as you're smoothing your hair and pulling it back into a ponytail. That's what I'm doing right here. And you want to make sure while you're pulling it back that all the tracks are covered. If you have to use a red tail comb like I do and make sure that the tracks are covered, then do that. But you just want to make sure the tracks are covered and that everything is smooth. And right here you can see like some of my tracks are showing and it's like a little lumpy, but I'll go back and fix it because I'm not going out like that. So fix what needs to be fixed and adjust your ponytail accordingly.
honestly, I'm trying to stay focused. You must think I got to be joking when I say I don't think I can.
Okay, so I actually did my edges off camera, you know. But no, I love edges. Like, it just really makes the look. So I did do my edges off camera, you know, all the swoops and loops, the swoops. But this is the finished look, you know. It's not nothing crazy. Like, I'm just going for something simple, natural looking, you know, just to basically improvise for the day, because my hair when it's straight does get oily and I don't like it once it's oily. It's not cute. My face shape doesn't look cute with flat hair. So I go to a ponytail, but you know, just to give it a little oomph, I'm gonna show y'all. This is like the front of my hair. That's my bangs. So if it's sticking up, I don't care, honestly, because you know, it's normal for people's hair to have layers. So yeah. But this is the finished look. It's really simple. Anybody can do it as long as you have clip-ins, or if you want to make clip-ins, you know. So I hope you guys did enjoy watching this video, and make sure that you like, comment, and subscribe, and press that bell button so that you're notified every time I post a video, because my subscribers are lit, I'm lit, we're lit, it's lit. And, you know, come get litty with us, me and my Shay Bays. And I will catch you guys in the next video.